why I smell the oil. But, oh wow.
Oh shit.
Hey, 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 ice, drip, white, wrist, bad bitch, she.
All right, guys, next on my list is this 2006 Porsche 911 Carrera in red. Looks pretty clean, honestly, outside of the airbag being deployed. Oh, looks really clean, to be honest. Do we get any lights or any power? Nope, not a damn thing. It is listed as a non-run, so it will not start. And I'm guessing that has something to do with the minor damage. What, orange manual still in there? Ashtray. I'm guessing it has something to do with the fact that it took a pretty nasty, not even nasty hit. I say nasty. The damage on this car does not look bad. And I'm definitely interested in this one. You can see the whole airbag came out. They didn't just finish ripping it out or cutting it away. You can see that right there. What do you think? Can we force it back, all back in? You think it'll all fit back in the steering wheel? Fuck no. No. That is not the case here. Oh. Not at all. But she looks in really good shape. Let's give you an outside view. A quick outside view of the vehicle. You can see where it took the hit here in the front. And you can see the light stuff and harness stuff sticking out here. But overall, outside of this one little bit of damage here at the front, I don't see why this would be totaled. Ugh. I don't see it. It's clean everywhere else. All the way around this car, it's it's really clean. Tires look good. Suspension looks good. Everything else in this thing looks really good. Huh. No power though. Let me know what you guys think. You know, Copart should make their logo a Mustang. I see more of these Mustangs at Copart yards, and I see more videos about them wrecking them outside of Cars and Coffee than anywhere. Oh, what is this? Dun, dun, dun. Shout out to my dude Randy over at Auto Auction Rebuilds. Look what we have here. We got a P71 police interceptor. Look at that. Palm Springs Police. Look at that. Let's take a full walk around because I know it's got to be smashed somewhere. To protect and serve. Cool. All the police badging and stuff has already been removed. You know, you can still see it. Ooh. Ooh. Oof. I hope nobody was sitting in the back. Oof. Look, it even like it got stabbed a hole like right through the side, right through the back door. Let's look at that from the other side. There's some police carnage for y'all. Damn. Damn. Damn, son. Yo. Yeah, look, the bars are bent. This thing got smashed. Smashed. Wow. This thing got smashed. Completely smashed. Wow. Like, I don't even know if this thing would be good for parts. Anyways, I thought it was interesting. Thought y'all might enjoy that. Which brings me on to this slightly used, definitely can buff all this out, cargo van. It's always amazing to see what fire does to a vehicle. It's ridiculous. Like, you can just look at how the metal just melted away. I mean, it's just really crazy. This one we have here from the Jupiter Police, setting the benchmark for excellence. They don't say nothing about protecting and serving. Damn. This one is a Ford Explorer Police Interceptor. 41,000 miles on the clock. The interior does not. Initial sniff. It doesn't smell like Badussy. So that's a win. All right, that's a win. I see we got keys. I wonder if she has any power. I would be interested to know. Inquiring minds want to know. Nothing. All right, to be expected when you have a massive accident. It looks like all the hookups and everything is here for all their gear and equipment. And there's a lot of lights and stuff still on board. And they got so many damn HDMI ports, Ethernet connections. The hell, they were running an internet cafe out of a police car? I'm surprised you don't have more police cars, like literally not just blow up. You know what I'm saying? Like just blow up, catch on fire. What is this? What is that called? Lind Electronics. Y'all let me know what this box does. What does Lind Electronics run? And we got this back here. Let's see what that's about. Go in the back. This one is not a regular, this might be a supervisor's vehicle because I don't see a cage or that there was ever one in here. So no police cage. Leather seats in the back though, so maybe they did have it like this where they could put people in. I see they took the spare and everything else back here. Look at the reinforced bars and stuff they have back here. Crazy. What is this? An armrest with more power capabilities. I'm just wondering, like, what all, like that was the armrest? Damn. All right. Oh, look. Watch guard. I didn't even see that. Let's see what that's about. Man, it's so nice to sit in the front of one of these, man. You got the watch guard right here. Power, record, stop, review. So that's for the cameras. But I'm willing to bet that, yeah, you can see they clipped. You see where the wires are cut over there? Where they've cut away a lot of their stuff. So they kept the camera, you know, they took the cameras and stuff. Richie. I'm guessing this is some kind of lockbox key for in the truck, which goes right there. But I mean, still really good serviceable parts, to be honest. You got your certified speedometer test here. I'm guessing this is for when you write somebody a ticket, you have to be able to take this to court to show that the speedometer was tested and certified as accurate. Cool. What do you guys think about this? I wonder how bad. Let's take a look at the damage from the front, because I know you haven't shown you that yet. But the rest of the truck seems like it's okay. This does not look like it would be that difficult of a rebuild. And yes, remember I said supervisor? Supervisor. Still got the light bar in the front connected to the crash bar. I don't know if they work. The damage is kind of extensive, but it looks like that push bar took a lot of it. The push bars looks like it took a lot of it. The engine and stuff looks okay. The battery's still connected and there's no power though, so that's kind of concerning. Fuse box and stuff is all pushed up. Oh yeah. I see this over here now. So that fuse box might be busted. Yeah. Oh, are they touching? Oof. Yeah, I already see hot wires over here have been cut. All right. So it would need some work, some serious electrical work for sure. You can see up here where the front is all bent. You know, that would have to be straightened out. It's not too difficult where it doesn't look like it could be done. I mean, I could see it possibly being returned to, not service, but being able to be a cool, fun rebuild project. I'd get some content out of it. What do you guys think? Next on my list, a Puma. I don't even know what the hell this is. It is a RV trailer that is listed for exceptionally cheap. And it's locked. At least that door is locked. We'll check this back door. This might be a very quick clip or video. Oh, no, it's open. Now, it doesn't say what the damage is on this one. Does it smell like Badussi? Nope, it does pass the Badussi test. No Badussi smell in here. Nice leather recliner. As soon as we walk in the door. Oh, wait a minute. As I get closer in, it does start to smell like... No. Oh, shit. It's got running water. Say word. Ah, see this? I think that's supposed to be like that, though, for the slide in, right? This is not bad. This is really not that bad. I mean, yes, I know it's going to need some work up here. I can see this already, right? I feel a soft spot right here. Someone probably took a massive dump, and I see this up here, right? Now, the texture and stuff may not show well on camera there. Now you can see it. There's either water leak down or some kind of damage in here behind that wall. But I mean, as a cheap, I bet you this thing goes for cheap. And when I mean cheap, I mean like $1,000. You know what I'm saying? 1,500 bucks. And there's the side of the slide in. Now, don't let that scare you, because it's not painted or nothing. You don't really see that, so it doesn't look crazy. The roof, I don't really see any spots in the roof that would concern me. You know what I'm saying? This does not look horrible. Now, this is the scary part. Oh, please don't be a bunch of ass in here. All right. Oh, it does. Boom. Oh, sorry, I needed to compose myself. That was disgusting. Whew. Man, it still smells like shit in here. Man, that refrigerator smells like straight. Like some, oh, just banged my head. Like someone just took a massive dump. Fire extinguisher. This is going to be something I am definitely interested in. I have to pay somebody to clean that, though. But for the right price, money-wise, this isn't bad. I mean, legitimately, if you just wanted a weekend warrior trailer to go, like, do your thing. Oh, wait a minute. See? Someone's probably going to say, I already saw this in the video. It doesn't see it. The light is playing. The shadows are playing with you. Look. See this? Can you see the bubble? I might have to hit it from a weird angle. It's because of the lighting. But this whole thing is bubbled out. Look. All right, so now I see what the damage is. It's in the slide out. Okay, let me go around the outside and see if I see any damage. But even with that damage, I'm going to tell you right now, even with that damage and what I see up there, if this thing goes for $1,000, oh, I see this too. Look at the bow right here. See, now it's just when you slow down and you start taking your time and look at stuff that you start seeing things. Wow, it was really hot in there. Whew. All right. Well, still, hey, there goes a 3500. I could buy that and that other Ram from the other Copart video and maybe make one truck. But everything else on here does not look bad. I can see here. Oh, it was a fire near it. It was near a fire. Look at the melted window right here. Okay, so it was on fire or near a fire. Now I can see why. It's literally melted and burned from a fire. But you know what? I'm going to be honest. Even if this went for the right price, if this thing goes for like $500, yeah, the propane tanks are right there. Woo! If this thing goes for like $500, I'll buy it. I literally make this like a weekend warrior trailer, man. Like, it's perfect just to be able to go out and do shit. You know what I'm saying? On the weekend, man, I don't care what it looks like on the side. Spray paint that shit. Call it a day. Rare Ford. This is a 1980 Ford tractor. No, I'm not actually going to buy a tractor. I just thought it was cool and saw it sitting here and thought this would be an epic thumbnail right here. Copart tractor. Who wants to see a Copart tractor rebuild? I know someone's going to be like, yeah. All y'all in the comments will be like, buy the tractor, buy the tractor. I might do it just to be an asshole, just to be funny. What do you guys think? Yay or nay on the tractor? Next on my list, guys, is this Ford F250 Super Duty. She does have a lot of miles. It is a 2008, but She is a diesel and does not look totally horrible. God, that door thing looks like shit. It's just next level nasty. All right. I'm afraid to touch that steering wheel. It's not filthy. It just also ain't clean. You know what I'm saying? A good detail and should be all right. Diesel truck, so I'm not really concerned about the 254,000 miles. Key is on deck. Let's see if she has any power. Four-wheel drive. Okay. Let's wait on that glow plug light. It is off. Boy, she's shaking, but she's running. 33 miles to E. Wow, look at her shake. You can feel, look, the camera's shaking because my whole body is shaking. Oh, wow, I smell it. It's almost like she's not burning diesel. It runs, but it's like seriously shaking apart, man. Let's look at the motor. Holy shit. Almost smells like oil. Woo! Got oil everywhere. That's why I smell the oil. But, oh wow. Let me shut that down. Boy, did she start smoking. Did y'all see that? Oh, okay. That would be a negative. She just started smoking like a son of a bitch and rattling. I don't know if y'all heard that. I was definitely interested in this truck, but I'm not a diesel guy like that. I don't know diesels like that. Wow, did y'all see that? Like, she started smoking. That was... Someone's gonna laugh. You're gonna be like, look at TK out here blowing up vehicles at Copart, man. Look, man, it's a power stroke. I didn't expect it to. See, and all the Chevy guys are gonna come in here and say, yeah, y'all talk all that shit about Chevys. Look at this Ford. I don't get it. I'm gonna be honest too, though. I don't understand why that happened. She smoked like a damn chimney. Whew. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is it you think she's finished? What was causing that rattle? Let me know in the comments, and what made it blow all that white smoke like that. Because otherwise, it's a really pretty truck.